Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of sports-themed party decorations with one of the best options available, the softball foil balloons by Jecery. Whether you're planning a birthday party, a baby shower, or simply celebrating a love for softball, these balloons promise to add that extra flair to your event. Let's start with what you get in the package. You'll receive 12 pieces of these eye-catching aluminum foil balloons. Each one is designed with vibrant baseball patterns in yellow and red, making them perfect for any sports-themed occasion. What I particularly like about these balloons is their quality. They're made from durable aluminum foil, ensuring they're lightweight yet sturdy. You won't have to worry about them tearing or leaking air prematurely. These balloons are not only safe and wearable but also incredibly easy to use. They come uninflated, so all you need to do is inflate them with helium or air using a standard pump. They seal automatically once inflated, which means no hassle with tying knots or needing extra tools. Imagine these balloons floating above a birthday cake at a softball-themed party or lining the entrance to a baby shower. They create a festive atmosphere wherever they're placed, whether it's a gym, a school playground, or even a sports hall. Now, before we move further, it's worth noting that these balloons have garnered quite a positive response from buyers. With a solid rating and over 100 purchases in the last month alone, they've become a favorite among those who appreciate both quality and style in their party decorations. If you're looking to elevate your next softball-themed event or surprise someone with a thoughtful sports-themed decoration, I highly recommend checking out these softball foil balloons. They're available right now on Amazon, and I've included the link in the description below for your convenience. That wraps up our review of the softball foil balloons by Jecery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.